Hello and welcome to White Glad Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30291. And this is the Ninjago, and I'm probably going to mispronounce this, Anacondrai Battle Mech. If you enjoy this kind of video, the whole Polybag thing, please think about subscribing, because I plan on doing one of these Polybag build-alongs, one a day, for the foreseeable future. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, which is kind of a weird one, does this remind y'all of the Mixels? It kind of looks like someone chopped the head off a Mixel and stuck a dude up there. Anyway, if you are interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on BrickLink. And also, there's the brick set description for it, a link to the brick set description, if you just want information on this particular set. There's also a Google Docs spreadsheet that has information about past and future Polybag build-alongs. Okay. Does he look like he's vaguely trying to be Serpentor from G.I. Joe? I mean, I don't think Serpentor had, like, purple chest tattoos. I'm sure he didn't. Unless they were under the suit. But anyway, I'm getting a Serpentor vibe from this guy. And he looks super angry about, I don't know, having a weird battle mech. I'm not sure exactly why he's angry, but he looks unhappy. And he's got back tattoos too? I guess. And, okay. This is definitely a Serpentor hat. Like, I don't know exactly about the other stuff, but this could directly be Serpentor's hat from G.I. Joe. Anyway. I guess sometimes fashion is painful a little bit. Okay. So let's go with putting together the mech. So this goes here, and then these two pieces, which are, I'm assuming, going to be joints for the legs, probably, maybe. It's my guess. I'm guessing legs. Alright. And then these two will most likely be arms, which is super exciting. And then these are shoulder blades. I don't know. It's starting to look like a football player. Like about to tackle someone. Alright. So we got that. And then this piece goes here, like so. And this one goes right here. And that. Alright, now on the front, we got a bit of purple stylishness going on. And then this thing, which is gonna be our controls to drive the mech with a steering wheel, I guess. Alright. Seems like choices have been made by someone, but again, you gotta figure the guy's wearing a snake hat. He's probably not like, oh, I'm gonna have to seriously do this. He's gonna be like, I'm wearing a snake hat. Alright. So, snake hats aside, let's see. Got this. Goes here. And this goes... Oh, I was off a little bit. The little thing goes higher up. This goes here. And this goes below it. Right there. I got that. And We got the purple thing here, which is trying to escape the table. Got a purple thing there, like so. And oh, it was right in front of me. Got a cod piece for the robot. I guess that's about all I can think of for that one. Alright, so let's just set that aside. Not dwell too much on the concept of robots with cod pieces. And then make the arm joint. This goes here, like so. And then this red one goes in here. And then we attach this here. And then the smaller one goes on the front. It's kind of neat. Alright, so that's the first arm. So we'll snap that one on. Gives him the first arm. And then for the second arm, we're making the sword arm. So the joint goes here. And then, alright, I kind of like the sword. I don't know if it's really robot sword material, but I like the sword. It's kind of cool. Although it doesn't stick super well in there. Yeah, try like that. Yeah, that's probably the best way to do it. Alright, now this snaps on here. So, like so. It actually twists in there, which is kind of weird. Alright, so we got our shield and sword. Although, yeah, that's right. I was thinking I might have put it together backwards. But, alright, so it takes care of that. And then we got to make two legs. And so we make the two legs. That's an interesting idea for a leg. So it's just going to walk flat on the base of the 1x2s. Alright, so those two things clip in there. And then these have some teeth attached. Make sure my teeth are going the right way. Looks like the big teeth go on top. So you got that. And you got that. So these clip onto here, like so. Like that. And then these little 1x2 cheese slopes finish off the feet. I'm guessing they're toes. And then this just clips on to the bottom. Or to the sides. And then we bend it downward, I guess. It says slide them in like this, according to instructions. So, slides in and twist down. Alright. Slide in, twist down. Like so. Our extra pieces. And crazy snake dude driving it. Alright, I guess the big question is, does crazy snake dude driving it stand up when he drives? No, he sits down to drive? Alright, I guess. Gotta be, pace yourself. Whatnot. So, crazy snake dude drives a mixel. Alright. He's a little more reclined than my taste I would normally opt for. Alright, So, this is a weird one. Like, that is, it went, it's like, I like parts of it. The robot mech with the cod piece is weird, but that's okay. Snake guy's weird. Also okay, though. Sometimes you gotta be a snake guy. I don't know. It stands up really well. I'm surprised about that. I mean, it stands up nicely. I can see this being a fun toy to play with. I still think, though, I might, like, maybe use that mask and make a Serpentor. Anyway, I don't know. Let me know what you think. This is a weird one. Kind of like it, though. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.